State the volume of air remaining in the lungs after a normal breathing. So students, after normal breathing, the amount of air which remains in the lungs we need to find out. So let us calculate how much amount of air remains in the lungs after normal breathing. So the volume of the air remaining in the lungs after normal expiration is known as functional residual capacity. So normally when we breathe, we inhale. So during inhalation we take in the air, and during exhalation we give out the air. So this is called as expiration. So normally when we breathe out, it is called as expiration. So generally when we breathe out, we are giving out certain amount of air. Not the whole air which is present in the lungs will be given out. A small amount of air will be given out. Now after this, what air remains inside the lungs? So that becomes the functional residual capacity. So the volume of the air remaining in the lungs after normal expiration is known as functional residual capacity. So this you can see, functional residual capacity. The amount of air from here to here. It will be roughly around 2500 ml. Now this includes expiratory reserve volume and residual volume. So functional residual capacity includes expiratory reserve volume and residual volume. So let's see what are these. ERV is expiratory reserve volume and RV is the residual volume. So ERV is the maximum volume of air that can be exhaled after normal expiration. So after normal expiration, the amount of air which is given out, so this amount of air is called ERV, that is expiratory reserve volume, and RV is the volume of air remaining in the lungs after maximum expiration. So after expiration, what air remains in the lungs is called as RV, residual volume. So by adding these two, we get the value of functional residual capacity. So the functional residual capacity will include ERV and RV. ERV will be around 1000 to 1500 ml and RV will be around 1100 ml to 1500 ml. So when we add this, we get approximately around 3000 ml. So the functional residual capacity in humans is around 2500 to 3000 ml.